Wow, what was that?
Elephant.
It's an elephant. Do you want it?
No.
No.
Hi guys.
What happened?
I'm trained.
You need train? Today you don't want to do alphabets?
Oh no!
No. Numbers?
No.
Okay. Today you want to do you need train? Okay. And but we don't have train with us.
What?
Oh. What to do?
Idea.
Idea. What is that idea?
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Wow!
Yes?
Whee!
You think that'll work?
I think everything will work.
Everything will work. Wow. And who will do abracadabra?
Now I cannot sit.
You cannot. Okay. Oh, do it once more.
Ow.
It's an owl. Is that what you want?
Now.
No. Okay.
Owl in the night.
Yeah.
Noise.
Yes. Owls come in the night. Okay.
On the tree.
Let's try doing abracadabra again. Let's see this time if you're lucky. Wow. What was that?
Elephant.
It's an elephant. Do you want it?
No.
No. Okay. Let's try abracadabra again. What's that? It's a phone. Okay. Do you want to call someone and ask for help?
It's not pressed. It's nothing pressed.
Do you want to call someone? Who?
Angel.
Ah, you want to talk to the angel? Probably angel will help you.
Why is this phone stopped?
Okay, let's dial the angel's number.
Number?
Yes, I will dial the angel's number. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now let's ask Angel that you want to train.
I want to train Angel.
How many train you want?
One. One and wait. Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Just one.
Yes, and let's go ahead and do abracadabra. Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you again talk to the angel. Okay. And now you tell angel, I want to see giraffe.
Please give me mom dress, nana dress, baby dress. Please. Abracadabra.
Wow. Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Now tell, angel, I need elephant.
Angel and elephant. Abracadabra.
Wow.
Something
There is elephant. Okay. Now tell, angel, I need magic garden.
Enjoying magic garden. Abracadabra.
Wow. You like it, baby?
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you, angel.
Thank you, Angel.